Hi and welcome to this new video. You have designed a show, but you must change effects because some of your effects are running out of stock. My name is Dirk Enders and in this video I will show you how to replace multiple effects in a show. I have already designed a small demo show with 3 effects: a yellow peony, a red peony and green peony. I will show you a small part of it so that you see it. Okay. But now my supplier has not delivered the yellow peony, so I have to change this, for example, with a blue one. And I do it with 3 simple steps. The first step is to search for the effect you want to use. Let's say you want to have blue peony, and we mark it. Yeah. The second step is in the script window, we search for the article number of the yellow peony. I don't know it, so I have only 3 effects, so I type in yellow, yellow, and all yellow effects are here. Then I mark the effects. That's the second step. And as a third step, I make a right click now and say replace with effect from effect window. Yeah. The shortcut is here. And it's replaced. You see it's empty now because we have the yellow filter here. And if I remove it, you see the blue peony, it's still marked. And when I play the show again, you will see that no yellow peony is in the show any longer. But the other way is also possible. Let's say we want to remove the red peonies. So we type in red and the filter here and mark all effects. Of course, you can only, if you want only to change 5 effects, you can only mark 5 effects, but I want to remove it all. And we want to replace this with, let's say, silver mines. I mark this silver crozet mine here. And as a third step, I make a right click and say replace this effect or rec. Okay. I remove the filter, and when we play it, we see no red effects, only the silver mines. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. See you later.